Ever stood in front of your wardrobe feeling overwhelmed by the multitude of clothing options? Welcome to the world of fashion, a universe filled with endless possibilities and just as many dilemmas. It's a familiar struggle, deciding what to wear, but fear not. We're about to embark on a stylish journey, exploring practical fashion tips and tricks designed to simplify your daily dressing ritual and boost your confidence. Stay tuned to discover practical fashion tips that will revamp your wardrobe in style. The first step to impeccable fashion sense is understanding your unique body type. Every individual is unique, and this uniqueness extends to our body types. Recognizing and embracing your body type is pivotal in making fashion choices that not only feel comfortable, but also enhance your natural beauty. There's a world of difference between dressing for fashion and dressing for your body type. The former may lead you astray, following trends that don't necessarily complement your physique. The latter, however, ensures that every piece of clothing you wear highlights your best features, creating a harmonious balance between your silhouette and your wardrobe. Let's dive into a brief overview of different body types. Firstly, we have the hourglass figure, characterized by balanced bust and hip measurements with a narrower waist. This body type can rock almost any style, but particularly shines in fitted clothing that accentuates the waistline. Next, we have the pear or triangle body type, which features wider hips compared to the bust. A-line skirts, V-neck tops, and structured jackets are your best friends, as they draw attention upwards and balance out your proportions. The apple or inverted triangle body type, on the other hand, has a wider bust compared to the hips. Flowy tunics, wrap dresses, and wide-legged pants work wonders for this figure, as they accentuate the lower body and create a balanced silhouette. Lastly, we have the rectangle body type, where the bust, waist, and hip measurements are relatively similar. This body type benefits from clothing that creates illusions of curves, such as belted outfits and peplum tops. Remember, these are general guidelines, and fashion is all about personal expression. It's not about hiding what you perceive as flaws, but rather celebrating your body and enhancing its natural beauty. It's about feeling confident and comfortable in your clothes, and that starts with understanding your body type. Knowing your body type is the foundation of your fashion journey, guiding you in choosing pieces that flatter your figure. Scene script. Never underestimate the power of basic clothing items. These are the unsung heroes of your wardrobe, the reliable and versatile pieces that form the foundation of your style. Think of your basics as the canvas on which you'll paint your personal style. They are the white tees, the black leggings, the denim jeans, the neutral blazers, simple yet oh so indispensable. Basics are like the supporting actors in a movie. They might not get the spotlight, but they play a crucial role in completing the picture. They provide a balance to the statement pieces, the eye-catching items that would be too overpowering without something to ground them. Consider the little black dress, for instance. It's a staple in every woman's wardrobe. It's the perfect go-to for any occasion, whether it's a date night or an office party. It's simple, yet can be dressed up or down with the right accessories and shoes. Pair it with a statement necklace and high heels for a glamorous look, or with a denim jacket and sneakers for a casual chic style. It's the same dress, but it can create numerous different outfits. Now let's talk about a pair of well-fitted jeans. They're the workhorse of any wardrobe. Dress them up with a silk blouse and heels for a sophisticated look, or pair them with a comfy tee and flats for a relaxed weekend vibe. Again, it's the same pair of jeans, but with different combinations, you can create entirely different looks. The beauty of basics is that they're timeless. They're not subject to the whims of fast fashion or seasonal trends. They're pieces you can invest in, knowing they'll serve you well for years to come. So when you're shopping next, resist the temptation to bypass the basics. They might not shout for attention like the sequined dress or the neon heels, but they are the backbone of any successful outfit. Remember, basics are the backbone of your wardrobe, offering endless outfit possibilities. Color can make or break an outfit. Do you know how to coordinate colors effectively? Color coordination is more than just avoiding clashing hues. It's about creating a harmonious blend that exudes your personal style and complements your complexion. You might be surprised to know that there's a science to it, and it all starts with a simple tool, the color wheel. The color wheel, a rainbow circle of shades, is your trusty guide in the world of color combinations. It's divided into primary colors, red, blue, and yellow, secondary colors, green, orange, and violet, which are made by mixing the primary colors, and tertiary colors that are blends of primary and secondary colors. Understanding the color wheel can unlock a world of possibilities. Let's look at some popular color schemes you can use as a guide. First, there's the monochromatic scheme. This involves using different shades, tones, or tints of a single color. Think of a chic all-black ensemble or a calming outfit in shades of blue. Then we have the analogous scheme, which involves colors that are next to each other on the color wheel. For instance, a mix of yellow, yellow-green, and green can create a vibrant yet harmonious look. Next is the complementary scheme, using colors directly across from each other on the wheel. Picture a bold red dress with emerald green accessories. Contrasting but captivating, isn't it? Lastly, there's the triadic scheme that uses 3 colors evenly spaced around the wheel. A fun example would be pairing a purple blouse, green pants, and orange shoes. It's playful, daring, and definitely a head-turner. Remember, these are just guides. Fashion is all about expressing yourself, so don't be afraid to experiment and break the rules sometimes. The key is to balance your colors to create a look that's pleasing to the eye. Master color coordination, and you'll effortlessly create visually appealing outfits every time. Scene script. Each season calls for a different fashion approach. Are you ready to adapt? As we transition from season to season, our wardrobes need to adapt, not just for comfort, but also for style. Let's dive into some tips for dressing appropriately and stylishly for different seasons. In the chill of winter, it's all about layering. Start with thermal undergarments, then pile on your favorite cozy knits, and top it off with a statement outerwear piece. A long coat or a puffer jacket can be both practical and stylish. Pair it with some ankle boots and a chunky scarf, and you're ready to brave the cold. When spring blooms, it's time to shed some layers. Lighter fabrics and pastel colors are your go-to. A floral dress or a light sweater paired with jeans can never go wrong. And don't forget a lightweight jacket or trench coat for those unpredictable spring showers. Summer calls for light, breathable fabrics to keep you cool. Opt for linen, cotton, or silk in bright colors and bold prints. A sundress, a pair of shorts, or a flowy skirt paired with a breezy top are perfect for a hot summer day. And always keep a stylish hat and sunglasses on hand to protect yourself from the sun's rays. As the leaves change in the fall, it's time to bring back some layers. Sweaters, cardigans, and blazers are your best friends. Pair them with jeans or a midi skirt for a chic look. And don't forget to add a touch of autumnal color to your outfits with shades of orange, red, and brown. Finally, remember that the key to seasonal dressing is versatility. Invest in pieces that can transition from one season to the next. For example, a white button-down shirt or a pair of classic black pants can be styled differently to suit any season. With these seasonal fashion tips, you'll look chic all year round. Fashion is a form of self-expression and confidence. As we draw this style journey to a close, let's take a moment to revisit the main points we've discussed. We began by emphasizing the importance of understanding your body type. It's the first step to making confident fashion choices, as it allows you to select silhouettes that flatter your unique shape and make you feel fabulous. Next, we delved into the power of basics. Remember, basics are the backbone of any wardrobe. They're versatile, timeless, and can be effortlessly mixed and matched to create a variety of outfits. So, whether it's a classic white shirt, a pair of well-fitted jeans, or a little black dress, basics are your best fashion allies. Then we explored the world of color coordination. It's not just about matching, but also about creating harmonious color schemes that reflect your personal style. From monochromatic looks to bold color blocking, the possibilities are endless. Finally, we discussed seasonal fashion tips. Each season brings its own vibe, colors, and trends. But irrespective of the season, comfort and personal style should always be paramount. So, there you have it, a concise guide to help you navigate the world of fashion. Remember, fashion is not about following trends blindly, but about expressing your individuality and feeling confident in your skin. With these practical fashion tips, make every outfit count and every day a stylish one. Until next time, keep expressing yourself through fashion. We hope you enjoyed our fashion tips. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to hit that like button. It really helps us to know what content you enjoy and want to see more of. And speaking of more, why not take a moment to comment below? We'd love to hear which tip was your favorite, or if you have any fashion advice of your own to share with our community. Remember, fashion is not just about clothes, it's about conversation, connection, and creativity. And if you haven't already, make sure to hit that subscribe button. We've got plenty more fashion content coming your way, so stay tuned. Thank you for watching, and remember, fashion is all about expressing yourself. So keep exploring, keep experimenting, and keep expressing. Until next time, stay stylish.
Enjoyed the rush of the game? Now boost your style score. Like the video, comment your favorite tip, subscribe for more. Stay ahead in fashion, just as you do in sports. Until next time, keep winning.